G'day mate, we're team 14204 4H Scream, and today we've got a box of wild goBILDA parts, straight from the goBILDA wilderness. Oh, who wants out?
This is our goBILDA chassis from last year, and it is why we are running out of all this goBILDA hardware, so we're way too stubborn to take this apart, so we just ordered a bunch of new ones.
This is our current goBILDA chassis. It is built on the goBILDA Strafer chassis, and we are using goBILDA parts to build onto it.
As of now, we're currently just missing a few screws. We're missing the 16 millimeters, a few 10 millimeters, and a lot of 12 meters. Yeah, a lot of bearings as well.
We need the bearings and a lot of stuff. We got a lot of stuff to order. We got a bag of 8 millimeters, 2 bags of 10 millimeters, 2 bags of 12, 2 bags of 16. We got 1 bag of 20, 22, and then 2 bags of standard washers, 1 bag of fender washers, then threaded plates. They kind of look like these, and then a lot of bearings because we didn't have bearings. Save the bears.
And it seems that this box has also been packaged with some extra surprises from Coach Jeff himself. So, without further ado, let's see what's inside.
So here are some of our bearings and a 3 millimeter wrench.
Okay, some more bearings. Do not blame me for the wrenches, please. Wait.
Here are the screws we needed. Here we have some 8 millimeter length screws. Here are some of the 20 millimeter screws, and somewhere 12 millimeter, 16 millimeter screws. Here they are.
More 16 millimeter screws.
We need a whole lot more of those.
Magnets right here.
Oh, here are some
8 millimeter screws.
911 series grommets. This would be used for wiring.
And this,
Man, we're really bad at finding.
this is a 2803 series threaded plates bundle. These will help us keep some of our stuff together.
Some 8 millimeter zinc plate
And
block
some
Bearings.
Woo!
We got them.
and some hinges that were not on the list.
Hey, those were very surprising. I
And
don't know
screw
about
sets.
those.
We got magnets.
We got bags.
Ooh, mag. We got
Oh my
some
gosh.
2806 series set screw bundles. Not entirely sure if they're going to be used for it yet.
We got some pattern spacers.
We got
Very cool.
magnets.
Another set screws bundle. Grommets.
And-
More grommets.
and some wash.
Well, that was all the stuff we got so far.
Now it's time for the outro.
All right.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'd like to know all the stuff that you're using and all the stuff you're running out of. Have a nice day.